Hi guys, welcome to my Tractor channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox error code 403. An error was encountered during authentication. So before solve this problem, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, you have to go control panel, then select here categories, then click on network and internet, then click on network and sharing center, click on change adapter settings, then select here Wi-Fi, click on properties. Here you select internet protocol version 4, then click on properties, then select here use the following DNS server addresses, then type here 8 8 8 and 8, then type alternate DNS server 8 8 8 4 and 4, then click on OK. After doing this, close this window, then go to the run command, then type here percent local app data percent, then click on OK. In this, you select Roblox folder and delete it Roblox folder. After doing this, restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way, we fix Roblox error code 403. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.